For today's video, we're going to take this plain old rock and try to make it look like a Kit Kat bar. As always, we're going to prime our rock using the acrylic gesso. So I'm going to do 2 coats of this. Once your rock is primed and completely dry, you're going to grab a pencil and sketch in some of the details from the wrapper onto your rock. So as you can see, it's pretty rough. It doesn't really matter. You're gonna make mistakes. That's what erasers are for. A lot of it's gonna be painted over anyways. But this is what we have so far. And next we'll grab some red paint and see what we can do. So once you're finished with your red, feel free to grab some white paint and go over any pencil marks or mistakes you might have made. Okay, so that's one color down. Next we're going to tackle this section right here. Next, we're going to add a little bit of detail to the letters. And now with our pencil, we're going to just lightly sketch in the actual chocolate bars. And then you're just going to go over that with some white paint. And after this step, you're going to mix up some browns and do the detail work. So I think that looks good enough, and from here we're going to work on the lettering in this section. And for that I'm going to use a paint pen. Okay, I think we're going to call this one finished. Well, I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, please remember to like and subscribe. And if you have any suggestions for future paintings, just let me know in the comments below. Thank you.